How to change background in Zoom app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your device. Further, go ahead and join a meeting you want to change the background in. Once you are in the meeting, on the bottom toolbar, scroll through and you will see the option for more. Tap on that and further tap on the background and effects option. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and select your background from the provided options. You can choose to blur your background or also add wallpapers to your background. You can also add filters on your video during the video call, and if you want, you can also add avatars to the video. So, this is how you can change background in Zoom app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.